What's going on, everybody? Stock Jock here. Up 224 in the first hour of trading. For me, it was actually like the first 20 minutes of my trading. I did not get here it is, 224. I didn't do much trading today. I got family in town. Uh, they'll be in town Friday as well, and Monday we're closed in the market. So, didn't do much trading. Just got green really quick and called it a day. So, I only had two trades for me. Go over them real quick. I didn't get on the computer till about 10:05. So when I got on, what I saw was AEMD had this nice pop, pullback candle, and I was looking to enter right here for candle over candle. I did enter, and I got a really crappy fill at the top at 250, and it tapped it once, twice, three times, couldn't break it, and my stop loss was going to be the first candle under candle that happened right here. I stopped out 238, and did it recover? It did. So had I stuck around a little bit longer, we could have, which I didn't do because I took another trade at the time. Kind of have this like flat top here, create a little ascending triangle, and that would have been the second way to play it. The first way was here, it didn't work out, wait for another setup, obvious ascending triangle, breakout. Um, let's see. Normally you can go measure about the middle of this thing at the top. That's about 30 cents or so. So the pop would have brought you to about 280. This one got a little bit more than that. So good for it. Nice run. Well, no, actually, this is more of a. You can also measure it from here, from the base to the top of the. If it, call it a bull flag if you want. Um, So from 2 to 3 would be $1, and that would make a little bit more sense here. That would be almost $1 move there. So anyway, nice little run I had. It didn't work out for me on this pop pullback candle over candle. There was just no continuation again on the first pullbacks of these low float stocks. Normally on a super bull market where these low floats are running, we'd see pop, pullback candle over candle pop, pullback candle over candle pop, 2, 3 times before we get a decent, maybe 5-minute pullback. But that wasn't the case there. My second play was on Tesla. Shocker. I keep playing this one, and I'll keep playing it until it just doesn't work for me anymore. So, what I was playing on Tesla is, and I don't like to use the beginning candle when I'm making these patterns, but I didn't have anything else at the time. I was kind of playing this this breakout area. I first had it drawn like this because we had, bottom, a top, a bottom that didn't, come all the way down support. So it looked like it was going to break to the top side, and I kind of missed it. And I was kind of thinking, well, if this is a true resistance line, maybe I'll just wait till we take out this high here. And it just didn't feel right. The volume wasn't there. The oscillators weren't lining up, whatever. So I waited and waited and waited and waited. Let me get in here a little bit. And then Tesla started to make a little mini pattern inside of this overall pattern that was kind of right here. And I said, all right, well, whatever way this goes, the overall formation probably goes. So it ended up going breaking down. And I go short as we're breaking this bottom trend line and also breaking this little low here. So now we're making, instead of higher lows, we're making lower lows. And I went short. 20 contracts with puts. And my idea was, if we're breaking this, we're going to break this, and then we're going to break this low, and this low, and then it's just going to fall straight to hell. It didn't really do that. And at this point, I'm just trying to get green on the day. I was down about $200 from the first trade. Yeah, about $200, $220. So I'm just trying to get green on the day so I can get back with my family. So I go short. It dips. Let's see, I go short. Yep, right here as it looks like it's going to dip. It actually bounced off this level, and I was looking like, I'm gonna have to cover. I'm gonna have to cover because Tesla's doing Tesla things. It's not flushing out. So it actually dropped here, broke this low by a penny or two. Let's see, what's the low? 93, and it went to 82. So it broke it, came right back up, and I was like, okay, if we go candle over candle here, I'm out. Because we just went, we made a lower low, and it didn't do anything. Now we're going to go candle over candle, trapping bears, and now we're going to break through the top side of this thing. I'm out. But I hung in there. I let it play out a little bit more. Finally did break, and I covered on this break here. Covered at 642 and 651, so enough to put me green on the day. Like I said, up 224, and that was basically 20 minutes of trading today. So I started at 10:07, stopped at 10:22, so 15 minutes of trading today, 224 bucks. If you're interested in my trading style, free chat room is available. I don't charge for it. Don't plan on charging for it. It's the Discord link in the description down below. If you want to watch me live trade, probably won't start this week anymore, but next week for sure, is the Twitch channel link in the description down below. Check that out. All right, I will see you guys in the next video.